Carolina the other day, and it says that like at least 13 states, not necessarily in our area, are all going for the Ravens.
All going for the Ravens. I'm licking my fingers for that hot
Thinking about
chicken,
that food?
that hot
I
chicken. You know,
know.
I think we'll take a couple buckets of that.
You think so? I think we'll need it.
I think we'll need it. The weather's actually going to feel more like Nashville here tomorrow.
Okay.
Hard to believe.
Okay.
Even at kickoff, 63 degrees. Not bad.
Complaints.
Should be dry, a spotty shower. Purple ponchos in hand, but should be relatively okay, at least for the game. Titans and Ravens at 8:15 at the bank. January 11th, 2020, and we're talking about temperatures in the 60s. It's really hard to believe that warm surge, the springtime surge moving in on Saturday, it will eventually spell us some trouble as we get towards the end of the weekend with a line of showers and thunderstorms coming through during the overnight hours Saturday into early Sunday morning. Today, we did start up the warmth, 55 degrees. That was 20 to 25 degrees warmer from this time yesterday in most locations after a chilly start this morning at 31 degrees. Right now, we're still in the 50s. We're not going to move too much during the overnight hours. A little cooler, though, as you get down towards Annapolis, closer to the cold waters of the bay. The clouds continue to increase across the area. Still going to get some breaks in here to see the moon this evening, the wolf moon above us. A couple showers to the west. The heaviest of the stuff still way back here towards portions of Indiana and Illinois, and then a healthy line of severe weather now lining up from southern portions of the Show Me State down across portions of Oklahoma as well as Texas. Tornado watches in place across those areas. Winter storm warnings to the north of that. Could be dealing with a big-time ice storm up towards Chicagoland, Detroit, as well as Milwaukee, and eventually some snow on top of that as we go through the overnight hours. But the big concern, though, over the next couple of days is going to be the severe weather threat off to the south. There's a nice target zone here in the Arklatex. If you got any family or friends, ring them up this evening. Let them know to have a way to get those watches and warnings to keep the phones charged, as well as maybe to have that weather radio nearby. That threat shifts east as we get towards Saturday. Enhanced risk for severe weather up towards Nashville, but even on our doorstep here, we're looking at a marginal risk for severe weather. That's going to come in during the overnight hours Saturday into Sunday. So here's how it plays out on Futurecasts as we roll through time. Most of the day tomorrow is dry. It's nice and mild, so get outside and enjoy it. As we go through towards kickoff, it's relatively dry, and then after that is when the showers and thunderstorms start to move in here. About 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, we'll get a quick moving line that'll roll on through about 1/4 of an inch of rain, but the winds will be the bigger issue. Behind that, the skies will clear and temperatures will be back towards 70 degrees. Speaking of those wind gusts, early Sunday morning, as you head off to those church services, upwards of 30, 40, even 50 miles per hour. So isolated damaging winds and the possibility of a few power outages between 2 and 6 a.m. there on Sunday morning. Widespread coverage, about 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of rain. 48 tonight, mostly cloudy skies out there. 48 in Baltimore, 50 in Frederick, 46 in Annapolis. You'll have a chance to see that wolf moon above us. It comes with an eclipse that is not visible in this area. Mild start tomorrow, lots of clouds in the afternoon, 69. Very warm out there. The record is 75, back from 1975. We cool it down a little bit Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with some more rain showers, and then the colder stuff arrives by the end of next week.